Oh man, my package just came in. You know what that means? Another install. Alright, so you know how I was talking about my headlights looking all foggy or whatever. They're getting corroded. I don't want to say corroded, but they're just has a little haze over it. I'm trying to fix them, but anyways, so what you see here is from LMR. Except I just now noticed that these headlights are actually made in China. But anyways, yeah, let me show you what I got. All right, I had to do a quick opening real quick. Big old box. Just for what? What you see here is my switchback turn signals. Yeah, those are pretty big, but they're supposed to go from white to amber, and the little whatever flasher, and my clear, well not clear, but headlights, because I'm getting rid of the old ones. All right, I don't know where I left off in the video, but as you can see, I just got my headlights from LMR, and I had to run to, I don't mind my gym bag, I had to run to O'Reilly's to get these parts for my headlights, because my switchbacks and headlights to my original car, or not my original headlights or original car, whatever, you get where I'm coming from. I am going to swap these headlights out and going back over to regular plug and play headlights. So apparently these LED, always a bad timing with me. Anyways, going with these LEDs, apparently the daytime running lights are white and then the signal lights are amber. So I will be installing these later here in a little bit, just to give you a heads up on what I'm doing. But let me get back to y'all. All right, hoping this works. If not, then I apologize. But yeah, so I am going back to regular headlights, but I'm gonna hook up the fog lights, the switchback to oh man, my bumper. I realize it's not even in the right spot. Oh no, that one's not in the right spot. Anyways, I'm going back to regular headlights. But before I do all that, I gotta connect all this up. I just now realized I gotta put in my friend's tire. Oh well. See if I can do this real quick. Hopefully it'll be fast. Alright guys. So I had to go ahead and rewire these wires to my, well, these switches. The light switch over back to the harness. Like I said, I'm taking these off. If the video goes short, it's because I'm dealing with those construction guys. I'm trying to get off of work, and I thought I'd do this at work since I have all my wires and stuff over here. But that's what the switchbacks looks like. That's the emergency lights right now on. But once I turn them off, the emergency lights off, they will go white. So that's with the emergency lights. And once I turn them off, they go white. There you go. And they are pretty bright. So like I said, I'm taking these off and putting new ones on. So let me get to that and take off all this wire. And I'm going to try to hook up the switch back to the fog lights later on during the week. So I will cut to that ASAP. Yeah, so if y'all looking for some, what is it, switchback side markers or daytime running lights, man, these things are freaking bright, like really bright. That's freaking crazy. It doesn't not even with the headlights on. Hold on, let me turn on these headlights. Yeah, those are pretty bright. Even with the alarm, the strobe light when you set the alarm on. Good gosh. Yeah, I just wanted to throw that in here. What is going on? It is the next day, and I am going to try to hook up the switch back to my fog lights. Hopefully this GoPro works out the way I want it to, so please bear with me, because it is actually one of those that hang on my chest and not on my forehead. So yesterday, I don't know if you can see, but I put on these new headlights. Oh yeah, okay, these new headlights right here, sorry. And now I'm trying to hook up these fog lights. These fog light switchbacks to these new headlights. So let's get it done, shall we? So apparently this wire, what is this? I'm going to do this one right here, this left wire. Oh no! Good gosh. Now I am going to test this first before I actually make it look all nice and stuff. I think that worked. Nope, I gotta go get some pliers. Stand by. Okay, so I had to grab these. One thing about, what up? Yeah, they got it. One thing I like about these headlights, are easy to take off. Okay, let's see if this works. Alright guys, so I did get it to work. The one thing that sucks is that you will cut into this yellow green wire, and of course if you have this, what is it, Jeep JK fog lights, the fog lights will have to be on for this to actually work, which I think is kind of dumb, but it is what it is. But let me go ahead and splice this wire to this green, or this white wire. I'm sorry, I hope yeah, that was all messed up. So you will have to splice this white wire to this green and yellow wire right here, and let's see, the fog lights have to be on for this to be a switchback with the halos in the bottom. But let me go ahead and do that real quick. Oh my god, is this what I think it is inside? Yes, it is. Oh my god, that's what do you call it inside here? Yeah. Okay, sorry about that guys. I had to help a friend push the car into the shop, so now I'm out of breath. If you get the JK, if I repeat myself, I do apologize, but if you do get the JK Jeep fog lights, you will have to turn your fog lights on for your switchbacks to work with your signal light, and you would have to splice or hook up this wire, oh, I'm out of breath, to this to your signal light right here. So right here you would have to yeah, I am so out of breath, and I go to the gym but I don't do cardio. But yeah, this wire that goes to your fogs will have to get sliced into here, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me get back to y'all. All right, now I'm gonna splice or get into this wire right here. Like I said, I'm sorry, this video is all over the place, but I'm just trying to do my best, because like I said, I do this at work and I'm trying to get it done before I start the day, only because, like I said, I don't know if anybody's heard of my previous video, but I don't have a garage at my house, which I need to get one. But I just found out that we might be moving in the next year, so anyways, let me splice this fog light into this one right here, and once I'm done, I'll show you the recap of everything, and I'll show you with the fog lights and the switchbacks on with the turn signal. All right, let me get this over with. Okay guys, I had to jump on my phone, but I finally got it. Switchbacks are working. Like I said, this video is going to be all over the place. I apologize. I'm going to try to sort it out as best as I can, but I got new headlights with the LED switchbacks. They go from white to amber when you do the turn signal lights. There goes the fog lights with the halo rings that go from switchbacks. The only thing that sucks about it is that you will have to power these on manually at night to do the switchbacks. But if you are going, as I mentioned before, I apologize, I really do apologize, you will have to splice these little wires. Your turn signal lights will have to splice into this wire for your switchback. That's if you're going with the JK, the Jeep JK, the 2017 to 2018, I believe. Not for sure, but you got to splice those wires up. And I made a mistake over here. I thought it was the green and yellow wire, but it's not. It's actually the brown wire that you would have to splice into. But there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will do another video when I put everything back together, just to show y'all what it looks like at night and what it looks like during the day. But I'll get back to y'all with that. Like I said again, sorry. I'm at work, and I'm also trying to do this while I'm at work because I have my tools and everything over here. But yeah, let me get back to y'all. Okay, so I find this very weird. I know in the video I said that this wire goes to the brown wire, but now when I come back, it's weird because now they work, but it's green and yellow wire. So I'm trying to think these are for the hazards, because when I turn on my hazards they don't work. But let me get a run of wire to this yellow wire over here and hook it up to this one, see if that's the hazard lights. But it's interesting, but they do work though. I find that very funny, because I had to go back and hook up the switchbacks to the green and yellow wire. I hate electrical wiring, but let me figure it out real quick. All right guys, so it's a week later, and if you're seeing this and if you made it to the end, I'm going to try to explain everything that went on, because last week it was a major work week for me. I was busy, and like I said, I have all my tools here, so you know, I can do it at my house. I just don't want to take my tools with me. And I know it's just wiring, but if you do decide to get a set of headlights, or if you went with an aftermarket custom headlight setup, and if you had to splice or cut your signal wires off, this is the video that explains how to rewire everything, yada yada yada, as you saw in the video. The only thing mistake, or I don't want to say a mistake, it was weird, but I had to hook up the switchbacks to the brown wire, and it ended up not being the brown wire, which I found that funny. I think it was the ground. So I went back, as you if you saw in the video, I went back and actually hooked up to the green and yellow wire for it to work. The only downside is my emergency lights, hazards do not flash with the fog lights. But let me show y'all, they're real bright. And if you do decide to get a set, I think it's worth it on the switchbacks. For the headlights, I actually like them, they're real bright. And let me turn this on. Oh, man, creeping up. 50's creeping up on me. Oh. So as you can see, they work in the bottom and the other side works. So yeah, that's it. They are bright at night, and I actually love them. They actually look great. The only thing I'm worried about, these headlights, they came from LMR. I'm looking for some kind of moisture inside the headlights, and I haven't found any yet. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And I really didn't intend this video to be very, very long, but it is. I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm at work and I can only do these. I can do the videos at home, but you know, being recently a newlywed, just got married, you know, my wife wants to spend all the time in the world together. But that's it. Like I said before, guys, buy it, build it, and show it. Until the next one, guys, I appreciate it. And once again, I am sorry. Thank y'all so much for everything.